If you use the filter in Google Sheets, you know you can filter by color. However, Google Sheets' default built-in filter feature only allows selecting one color at a time. There are no options for showing both or all colored cells. In this video, I'll show you how to work around this limitation. As you can see here, I have this data set which I want to display all colored cells simultaneously. To do this, first, we need to determine the hexadecimal code of a specific cell. Hex code is a numbering system commonly used to represent colors in computing and web development. We will create a custom function using apps script to determine the hex code of a cell. To write an apps script, click on Extensions in the menu. Select Apps Script. In the Apps Script editor, delete any existing code. This line defines a function named getColor that takes one parameter called input. The function is enclosed in curly braces. This line retrieves the formula of the currently active range in a Google Sheets spreadsheet and assigns it to the variable myFormula. This line is to extract the address argument from the formula stored in myFormula. The replace function is called twice to remove the leading getColor and the trailing from the address. The resulting address is then assigned to the variable myAddress. This line retrieves the range of cells specified by myAddress on the currently active sheet of the spreadsheet. The getActiveSheet function returns the active sheet. And the getRange function is used to define a range based on the address stored in myAddress. This line retrieves the background colors of the cells in myRange using the getBackgrounds method. The getBackgrounds function returns a two-dimensional array containing the background colors of each cell in the range. Finally, the array of background colors is returned as the result of the getColor function. Sorry, I missed to include the close parenthesis. Press Save. Let me rename the app script and the project. Close the app script editor and refresh your file. Now we will use the getColorIndexIn function in a cell formula to retrieve the color index of a specific cell. This formula will return the color index of the cell A2. Now, use the filter toggle and select the color code from the helper column that you want to display. So there you have it. If you're looking for how to do it using Excel, say it on comments below, and I will create a separate video for that.